Are you struggling with your online business? Well, you don't need to anymore. To start a business online and make money online, you only need to put together 4 important ingredients. Number 1, you need to have the proper tools to work online. Number 2, you need a high converting funnel. Number 3, you need an irresistible offer. And number 4, you need paid traffic. So, without wasting your time, let me introduce you to a complete system where you have everything that you need to start an online business with all the tools, all the funnels, all the training that you need. Best of all, with this system, you'll have ready-to-go funnels and digital products so that you can put your business online today and start making money right now. Click the button showing on this video right now and watch a 10-minute complete presentation so that you can learn more about it and be a part of a community of thousands and thousands of entrepreneurs just like you that are already working with the very same system and generating thousands and thousands of dollars every single month online. Come on, join us. You don't need to struggle anymore. The solution you need and a whole new solid and profitable business is just one click away.